What is power? What is activity? What is this vital energy that starts to stir deep from our genital area and the second chakra, from our belly all the way up into our heart, where it explodes and then it rises up and it connects us into the bigger cosmos? I welcome you to April 6th Day Workshop. We're going to be exploring into the really fascinating realm of the dark and light, masculine and feminine. It's so juicy, and the discovery of these parts of yourself and the integration of the parts that need to be developed is going to allow you to tap into this pool of internal power by uniting polarities and bringing them into peace. Check me out, tasteoflove.com.au, April 6th Day Workshop, followed by the Tantra Touch Temple Night directly. Purchase both together and get a discount. It's a fantastic day. Community, beautiful food, spa, sauna, you name it, we do it, and I'd love to see you there.